everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adriana and I do lifestyle / DIY videos and reviews, and today is going to be a review. Today's video is actually in partnership with Y'OUR Skincare. They reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to give an honest review, and it's the beginning of the year, so like obviously my skin is something that I want to improve. I'm kind of have a fresh start on. I'm just a face wash and lotion kind of girl, and it has definitely been showing in my skin, especially since I'm aging. Doesn't matter what age you're at, like just take care of your skin. Although this is a partnership, I'm going to be 100% honest. Let me just kind of give you a rundown of how all this works. This is personalized skincare, so it's not just something that you can grab off the counter and just grab it. It's a set of 4 items, which I'll be showing you, and they're made for whatever aspects of your skin that you're trying to combat or target. You go online, you take a quiz. The quiz is super simple. I actually screen recorded the time that I took the quiz. I'm recording this at the point that I've already been using these skincare products for a few weeks now. You just answer a bunch of questions. They ask you types of things that you're looking to address in your skin. For me personally, something that I struggle with is having an oily nose and a very flaky chin. My nose is pretty flaky too, and it's like, okay, if you're oily, aren't you supposed to be moisturized? How are you dry? How are you flaky? Can you explain that to me? And little bumps. I don't know if anybody knows what I'm talking about, but I just feel like I always look like I have goosebumps. They're not super noticeable. For someone who looks at themselves in the mirror every day, I don't know, you're more hypercritical of your own self than other people are. I know a lot of people be like, I don't even see anything. It's like, I don't want to hear it. Yeah, those were the things that I wanted to address. So now I'm going to show you the box that it comes in. Obviously there's nothing in here right now. This is the box that I received. It is super duper cute. It's like a mint color with the metallic letters. So not only is the packaging of the box itself really cute, but the packaging of each product and just the way that it looks is super simple, sleek, minimal. Like it's not doing too much. I started out actually with the nighttime routine. My first wash, which of course I'll be showing you after this. Just to get it over with, I'll just show you my nighttime wash and the first time I washed it in the daytime. So now I'm going to go over all of the products, elaborate a little bit on each of the products and how I think about each one of them. So the first thing is the cleanser. The cleanser is step 1, so it's going to be used first thing in the daytime and the first thing in your night skin routine. Skin routine? What the hell is that? Skin routine. This cleanser is super gentle, lightweight. It gets the job done. As you can see from the video, it is a kind of clear blue situation. It's really cool. Maybe my ring light won't pick up on that, and I'm not about to squirt it on my wooden floors. Are you crazy? It smells so good. It's not like in your face aggressive fragrance. The 2 things that I can smell the most, which are of course listed, is the rose hip and the grapefruit. I don't like heavy and thick creamy cleansers because I don't feel like they're doing anything for my skin. They kind of just sit on my face and push things around. That's what I feel like. Whereas clear and soapy ones like this, I could see it lathering, but this one doesn't lather so much that you feel like it's stripping you of your natural oils. The elasticity of my skin was still very present. I'm the type of person that like instant gratification is a big deal. Like if I don't see it working immediately, then I'm a doubter, I'm a non-believer. So even after the first time that I washed my face, there was a noticeable difference. And of course I'm going in order. So number 2 is the day cream. Simple, sleek, elegant. Like what I really like about this day cream is that it's a sunscreen, which I was a little nervous about because normally what I would do is a sunscreen and a regular moisturizer for the daytime. Sunscreen kind of isn't there to moisturize, it's just to protect you from the sun, which, time out. If there's anything that you learn about skincare and what's super duper important, it's sunscreen. As a black person, I was like, I don't need sunscreen. Like, I love my melanin, I'm flexing my complexion, let me just soak up all this sun. But no, lots of sunscreens are kind of, they leave like a white film. You know exactly what I'm talking about. They leave kind of like a white film. You kind of look a little bit ashy. I don't get that from this, and it's not heavy. It doesn't feel like it's sitting on my face, especially for someone who has oily skin. I used to avoid sunscreen because I just knew it would make me look and feel a little bit oilier, which is obviously something that I'm trying to avoid. But this one definitely has my face feeling weightless, and it doesn't smell like sunscreen. It smells good, but it doesn't smell like sunscreen. I can feel it protecting me from the sun, and it says so I'm gonna believe it. Yeah, it doesn't have me walking around feeling like I rubbed a donut on my face. So I really do appreciate how light and gentle this is. I can tell that this keeps me all day moisturized, not oily, because by noon my nose is truly dripping. When I say I've got an oily nose, I have seen it drip. So the third thing that is provided is the serum. If you're someone like me who is kind of just starting to get into skincare and understanding what things are, so what a serum is, it is just usually a water or gel based serum to just kind of directly deposit active ingredients into your skin before you moisturize, and it helps you lock in moisture as well. So this is only used at nighttime. This is what I would use after using the same cleanser that I use in the daytime. I love to put it on lightly dampened skin. Just it helps my skin absorb all of that before I put on my night cream. It definitely tightens the skin, not to a point where I feel like I can't move. Like I said, instant gratification, seeing a difference in the texture and the elasticity of my skin. It doesn't feel saggy or like I just moved product around on my face. It does feel clean. None of it is sticky. I can't stand sticky products. I've had sticky night serums where literally I felt like there's no reason that I should be glued to my pillowcase. And I didn't say what it smells like. Let me tell y'all what it smells like. It doesn't smell like the first two products. What I do like about it is it straight up just has the ingredients that it needs. There's no superfluous stuff, there's no fillers. So what I need is in here, and I don't know, it doesn't smell like anything. It smells like something, but I just don't know what that something is. It doesn't smell bad. So last but not least, we've got the night cream, which is step 4. I like all of the products. Somebody's calling me. Hey.
Dude, what's up? You look pretty. I hope you're not doing a video. Oh.
Just one of my loyal subscribers. Actually, he doesn't watch any of my videos, so right, what I was saying is the nighttime routine I think is my favorite. I don't know why. It's just I like going to bed feeling fresh and clean and rejuvenated, and the night care routine definitely does that for me. It makes me feel like I just put on a new layer of skin. Let's see what this smells like. Also kind of smells like nothing. Smells like something, but nothing that I can put my finger on. And honestly, I feel like scented stuff really does irritate my skin. I do find often when there's a lot of fragrances in a product, that's when I start to get those little goosebumps that I was talking about. Overall, I've noticed that I haven't had any of those goosebumps. So yeah, the night cream, it's really light, but it's still thick and creamy. You could just like move it around on your face. I really do like that. Nonetheless, obviously it worked out for my skin, and now I'm just going to be sharing my overall results and just my opinions on the entire skincare program. So I really did love it. Obviously, I've definitely tried a lot of skincare products in the past, and I still have a lot of them in my bathroom. So I feel like oftentimes when I wasn't on the 4-step Your Skincare program, that I was just using this every now and then, using this every now and then, and that wasn't anything consistent for my skin to get used to. That's probably why I wasn't seeing a lot of changes with my skin. I was recovering from that big pimple that I popped, and I still have the discoloration from it, but I will say that this skincare routine definitely helped with bringing down the bump that I had there. I will show a clip of how my skin looks now. As you could see, when I was using my spinning brush, I was able to see the dirt being lifted off of my face, and that's kind of why in the first step I showed you me removing my makeup. On a regular day, some people wear makeup, even though I did use my makeup wipes and my pink rag, which is a makeup eraser. So that's the reason why I kind of showed you what it's like to wash your face after you've had makeup on, so I could truly see how it is cleansing my face, seeing dead skin come off immediately. I feel like I sometimes wash my face and then moisturize it, dry it, just to find out that there's still dry flakes, which is the most frustrating thing ever, because it's like I'm not about to wash my face again. No. So overall, I really like how I don't have to get this brand for this brand for this brand for that. It's 4 steps. It's super simple. I was kind of touching on it earlier about the fact that there are no fillers or extra stuff in these products. Something really cool about Your Skincare line is that they don't use fillers, they don't use parabens, they don't use toxins, they don't test on animals, which, I don't know, it's like, for what? They're not the ones using this, they're not the ones washing their face. Like, what do me and a bunny have in common? You know what I mean? I just feel like it's not comparable, so why test on a bunny? They use all natural products, everything is made in the USA. In addition to that, the brand was super duper responsive and helpful, but they definitely reached out to me and asked if how everything was going, of course, to see if the products were working out for me, especially since it's formulated for you. You definitely want to make sure that you're getting your money's worth and that it's doing everything that it says it's going to do. They offer you the opportunity to have it reformulated twice within the first 3 months that you have it. Like, this is your face, you know what I mean? This is your money maker, just to make sure that it works out for you. I mean, can you be mad at that? And of course, obviously, the longer that you use skincare, your skin kind of gets used to it and you're gonna need something new. So this is a brand that kind of changes as you change, and you do get an evaluation to see kind of what new things that you're looking to address. So for this entire set, all of the products that I just showed you are full-size product. So if you wanted, you have 2 different options for payments. You could either do one-time payment of $180, or you could do 3 payments of $65. So once again, flexibility, always key. So once again, I don't know if I already said it before, but of course, thank you to Y'OUR for partnering with me. If you're interested in checking out these products, then definitely check out Y'OUR Skincare. I'll have the link here and in the description box, of course, as usual. So if you have any questions, of course, do not hesitate to ask me them down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, I'll just see you in the next video. Bye.